everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Cameron, and today we are going to be practicing the third of 6 healing sounds. We're going to be learning about the liver healing sound. And as I mentioned at the end of my last video, the liver is very complex. It's a very large organ that extends from the diaphragm and wraps all the way around the lower aspect of the right rib cage and up and behind the rib cage. Actually, at the diaphragm, this is the second lobe of your liver that is responsible for the histamine response in your body, or your allergens, your allergies. And so in focusing on the liver, we're doing powerful work for transmuting the lower frequency emotions of anger, rage, hostility, frustration, irritability, intolerance, jealousy, and as I said before, mostly judgment, self-judgment. Does that ring a bell for anyone? Well, I think so. All right, so we're going to be translating or transmuting the lower frequency emotion to that of acceptance, forgiveness, and kindness. And so, as with the other healing sounds, this particular one with the liver is focused on the tree or the wood element. Now just think about the joy that the forest brings you on any given day. It doesn't matter what season it is. I have the joy of a panoramic view of the forest right now. I often choose forest dwellings because I feel greatly supported by the forest. It brings us into this place of peace, but also acceptance. I'm sure many of you have experienced, if you go on a long walk in nature and you have an issue or you have a problem, so often by the time your walk is over and you've allowed the joy of surrounding nature to enhance you, then you've solved the problem. The problem just sort of comes drifting down. Well, at the time of COVID-19, there may be a lot of anger that people are holding, a lot of resentment. Why are things changing? Why do I have to stay at home? Why can't I be working? And this frustration catapults often into anger. So we need to learn how to accept our emotions for what they are. It's part of being human. But what a powerful thing to be able to transmute your anger into acceptance. Well, perhaps at this time of COVID, things are happening the way they need to be happening. Maybe our society is in for a great change and well-needed change. So together, and yes, we're in this together, we will move through this. And it is my hope and my prayer that we're moving into a brand new reality of greater peace on earth. So as with the other postures, with the liver, we're going to open our legs this time. And the posture is always focusing on stretching the organ. With the kidney sound, we were stretching the kidneys. With the lung sound, we're stretching and opening the lungs. With the liver, I want you to take a deep breath in, raise your palms up, intertwine your palms, turn your palms upward, twist now. So you want your whole upper torso to twist. Your lower torso is remaining forward, but your upper torso is twisting at the waist, and you're going to lean. Now, of course, you want to be comfortable, but you'll notice in this posture that you're actually tugging on your liver. You're tugging on your liver. And like the other sounds, we're looking up. We don't want to send any anger into our space. We want to send it with intention to the universe. And the universe will alchemize or shift the reality of the anger with the intention that we're going to be learning in this video. So let's do this again. Breath in, link your fingers, palms up, twisting and leaning, looking up over your hands. You're going to breathe with the sound out and up to the universe. Okay, very good. The sound is shh. It's like the rustling of the tree, of the leaves in the tree. I love to think of the trembling aspen. We have them at our cottage, and the leaves just rustle. Shh. So the tree, the forest, the wood element. So now I want you to close your eyes and imagine walking in the forest in springtime. And the little lichens and the little ferns are popping up on the forest floor. And as the forest awakens, there's hundreds of shades of green. And in fact, artists will tell us there's over 200 shades of green in nature. And so I want you to choose your favorite color of green. And you're walking through the forest now. And you happen upon a beautiful female deer. And you get close enough to her that she's looking in your eyes. And she's reminding you, please be accepting of yourself and your situation. Be forgiving of yourself. And please be kind and gentle with yourself. Especially at this time, but certainly moving on. So hold that feeling of acceptance, forgiveness, and kindness within you. And so now with your hands open at your lap, you might want to open your eyes now. I want you to breathe in the green light of the forest, your favorite shade. Intertwine your fingers, palms up, lean, twist and lean. And the sound looking up is shh. Sending anger shh, up to the universe. Shh. Gently coming out of the posture. Just massage your liver. Massage. Focusing on the green light, the forest. Breath in. And breathing out any anger, frustration. Shh. Up to the universe. Shh. Nice sigh out. Nice sigh out. Again, practicing the healing sounds before bed is powerful. It's highly relaxing and will take you into a deep sleep. Breathing in acceptance, forgiveness, and kindness. Twisting. So peaceful, so joyful. So thank you for joining me. And next time, we'll be practicing the healing sound for the heart. I look forward to seeing you again. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. And by all means, you can visit my website at www.beyondemotionalblueprint.com. I would be happy to gift you a half an hour Zoom session with me to teach you, to share with you all about what my emotional blueprint work is about. On my website, you can read more about Qigong and also about my clinical work, Emotional Blueprint. Thank you. Happy Qi.